Hello friends. Now let us take up our first project in the 3W. Write a program to print a student's marks report with the necessary details. Like this, you are given a question. In such case, what is your course of action from the scratch in a formal manner? I am going to explain. As I told you already, it is a small project. So, small thinking, small working. It is a big project, a big thinking, and big working. But procedure is same. That you have to understand. Actually, in uh, uh, in the development process of a project, software project, mainly there are 5 phases. Of course, there are industry level. There are some more phases also that you cannot understand. Those are not relevant here. So I extracted which phases are applicable to our program and which are the core phases that I am going to explain here. They are task, analysis, algorithm, coding and testing. Task, analysis, algorithm, coding and testing. With reference to this issue, I will explain all the steps and you can gradually, it is nothing Greek and Latin, you understand that. Then with this workshop, you should become master over this process and all that. Always your thinking process should be in this manner, or otherwise 99% of college goers feel that coding is programming. That is not correct. Where coding is coming? Coding is coming in the fifth phase. The 3 phases are called design. Design is the core phase. Actually, if you go to a big tailoring shop, you can find one master tailor. One master tailor. Under him, 100 stitching tailors may work. One master tailor, what he does, he makes the design. He just design the dress and cuts it and deliver it to the other tailors. They stitch it. Understand? So one tailor becoming a master tailor is not a easy job. Lot of experience is required. Understand? If you want to become a stitching tailor and all that, 1 week experience is also enough. Understand? Here coding is like a stitching. In view of that example, coding is like a stitching, but this is the core phase of the thing. This is the all mental job. Your common sense, your aptitude plays a vital role in that. Overnight, nobody will become a designer. In the industry, out of 1,000, you may not find, it is very difficult to find one real designer. Understand? But remaining 999 are the stitching tailors only. And I am not derogating this job. This is part and parcel of the project development process only. What I mean to say, to reach this position, little effort is enough, little practice is enough. But to digest these phases and all that, lot of wisdom, lot of aptitude, lot of common sense hmm, are required. That point always you remember. Why you think of ground level programmers and all that? We are targeting for developing master programs. That means leaders with the same effort. You can become a leader, and at the same time you enjoy your studies. This is the day one. This is the day one. Just you you take a commitment, uh, and just the 2 days you sincerely work. Thereafter you start enjoying. Thereafter nobody will tell you to work on that. Automatically you get time, and instead of working 2 hours you may work 5 hours even. So understand this process properly. Task means defining the problem, understanding the problem domain, and understanding the solution domain. Understanding the problem domain, understanding the solution domain. With reference to this issue, I explained. First, somebody has given a question like this. First, you have to understand that actually, whenever you write examination, first you understand question thoroughly. 2-3 times you read it, and first to understand the question. Thereafter, mentally, what answer I have to write, you think of. You think of. So, understanding question is understanding problem domain. And what answer I have to write and all that mentally you buffer something, that is called solution domain. In this case, this is the problem domain. You understood simple problem, and solution actually here with the necessary details. The choice is given to you. Then what are the necessary details? Being a student, you know that. So what are the necessary details, and what is the format I am supposed to give and all that you have to think of. So you are understanding problem domain, you have understood the solution domain. So this is source, this is the destination. So through your program you have to bridge the gap. Okay, that is the first one. Task means understanding problem domain and understanding the solution domain. Solution domain means what I have to present ultimately in software project parameters. What client is expecting from this project, that you have to think of. Okay, thereafter analysis. Analysis means what I have to do. Now you are clear about the source, you are clear about the destination. Now you are in the Bangalore, that is the source. You want to go to Vizag, then that is the destination. The distance is 1000 kilometers. The distance is 1000 kilometers. Okay, now how to reach? All that you think, you will have a plan. Out of that thinking process, you get a logical plan. That is called analysis. Here, there is no much thinking. Of course, small thinking is there. What I have to do, what I have to do. I have to enter certain data items like name. I have to give certain input data items. Those are name, class number, roll number, marks in 5 papers. Thereafter, I have to find out total marks. After finding out the total marks, I have to find out the average marks or marks percentage. That is the outcome of your analysis. Of course, it is a small domain, a petty domain. That's why your thinking is very little. If it is a big domain, big project and all that, you have to spend a lot of time on this analysis. That is called business intelligence, because there are numerous types of businesses in the world. Lakhs of types of business are there, and if you are a software developer, any type of client may come to you. In medical field, then that is different. If you are a dentist, only dental patients will come. If you are a cardiologist, only heart patients will come. If you are a ENT doctor, that corresponding patients will come. Total specializations are there, but in software development field, no such specializations. Any type of client may come. You may run a hotel or a hospital or a college or a transport business or any other business. Understand? But you go to hotel for eating. How hotel is managed, you never know. But you have to develop a software project which should manage the hotel. Understand? For that, what type of knowledge is required, how much common sense is required, what type of business, that what we call business intelligence, to understand a domain. Today a hotel owner has come to you to get his project developed. Tomorrow one hospital owner may come to you, then it is much difficult. And day after tomorrow one college owner may come to you. So if you have that common sense, aptitude, business intelligence and all that, then only you understand that, you analyze that from how we reach from this to this, source to destination. So that is outcome of analysis, is a logical plan. Okay, this logical plan and all that, a piece of idea, it is quite abstract and all that. Clarity is missing. How far it is clear and all that, we do not know and all that. But once you write the algorithm. Algorithm means a logical plan we got. So we have to go to Vizag by bus. Thereafter, okay, one logical plan we got. Then from Bangalore to, is there any direct bus? Otherwise, how many buses I have to change? What are their costs? Many things you have to think and all that. Then you write a algorithm. That is the procedure. The procedure are well defined steps to implement this logical plan. Logical plan, that is called algorithm. Algorithm. One best example I give you from real life. You want to take breakfast in a hotel. In a hotel, it's a simple program. To implement this program, what steps you are implementing? You got ready, you locked the room, you go to hotel, you sit in the seat, you ordered for the tiffin, you ate the tiffin, and you pay the bill, you come to the room, open the lock, and settle in the room. How many steps he implemented? 10 steps he implemented. That is called algorithm. That is the best example. So for implementing any program, it need not be a computer program. Real life programs also, we have an algorithm. Our brain develops it and implements it.